Alright, for this video I will going to show you how to put this affiliate link in your blog or in your website. First, you have to choose a product that you're going to show or to advertise in your website or in your blog. Here I chose in this demo I will choose here the Adobe Photoshop. So I will click this get link, then after I click the get link I am redirected here. So you have to choose, it's your choice. You're going to put the text and image, or the text only, or the image only. So here I'm going to choose this one, the text and image. Alright, this is the default, so I'm not going to change anything from this. Now from here, number 3, get HTML code for this product link. So here's the link. I will highlight this, right click, copy. So here, let us see here. Let us preview first to show you that there is not yet no advertisement here yet. So here's my post, no advertisement yet. Now we're going back to the post, edit, and we're going to paste here the advertisement. For example, I'm going to put here in front, so say I'm going to add letters, AAAs. So this is the letter. I'm going to put the advertisement here. So let's go to the HTML view, in the left side of your here, this side, in this side. So choose the HTML view, and now this AAA, I'm going to replace this. I'm going to post here the code that I got from the Amazon. So paste here, so there, and let's go back to the compose view. Now here's the advertisement. Let's preview. Here is the advertisement. So that's easy. And if you're going to put more, so just add more. Let's update this one. Update here. So I updated it. You can opt to put this anywhere you want. For example, if you're going to choose, put this center here, or the right side there. Preview. There you go. The advertisement is there. We're going to add more. Let's say another AAAAAA. We're going back to the Amazon, the affiliate program, and we're going to get product links. here, going to choose the cell phone and accessories. Choose cell phones. I'm going to choose cell phone first. I'm going to sell the iPhone, this one. For example, here the iPhone 8. Get link and the text and images, and highlight the HTML, right click, copy and paste it to your HTML viewer. So find the AAA here and paste your HTML, your code. Go back to the compose view and then preview. There you have 2 advertisements for your blog. So that's easy. Going to update. We're going to update this, and that's it. So you have that. This is only a draft, so I'm going to show you the already published blog here. For example, this one. Click this post, edit. Let's say we're going to put at the middle. Click here, put just to remember things. Again, this iPhone, copy and paste here. So find the AAAA. Where's the AAAA here? I don't see. Wait. Here. Look for that. AAAA. Here. See, I saw that. Now going to paste that one. Preview. There you go. There. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, like and subscribe to my channel for the next update. Thank you and good day.